First and foremost, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Susan John, a boarding superintendent, a yoga teacher, which is very important when I introduce myself, and an author. To me, I came to Anubhav Sir during the COVID time, which I continued for 3 years. Because why, you may ask? Because I had made sure I certified myself under multiple courses which Sir was teaching us. First and foremost, his platform is a fantastic way of absorbing the knowledge of yoga and our ancient scripture, the ancient text. To me, earlier yoga was all about losing weight. Yoga was all about, of course, becoming a fitness yoga instructor and, teaching them. But when I got into our Anubhav Sir's courses, especially the level 2 and level 3, I was surprised. I was bowled over by our yoga text, be it Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Hatha Yoga Pratapika, be it Garanti Samiti, and I was wonderstruck that so much of our knowledge is in those books, which is very important for us as Indians and as representatives of yoga to tell the world, what yoga is all about. So, Sir, in a way, is one of the best yoga teachers I've ever come across. First and foremost, let me tell you that his platform is fantastic, and the way that is one-on-one when he teaches you, prepares you before the exam. That is very, very important, where he gives us that knowledge, that absorption. And moreover, you all know that he pushes us into, taking live classes, which is challenging. In beginning, you feel very awkward and you feel scared. But then as you get to know about it for what its purpose is, you will be surprised that it takes you to new new doors. It opens new doors for you, just as it did to me. So I would tell you all, please get into this level 3 or any courses for that matter, be it therapy courses also, and make sure y'all are lucky, we are lucky, because everything is right under one roof. So I would tell you all is, grab that opportunity, make sure you all, just learn all the courses, certify yourself under only one, that is our yoga guru. Because when I had been to Bandra, the first thing what they asked, okay, fine, you are certified under Ayush Ministry Yoga Certification Board, but who is your yoga master? No, it's Anubhav Seth from Pune, who has helped me, to certify myself under the yoga ministry. So his name also holds a lot of weight. Okay. So what I mean to say is, yes, you're certifying it under Ministry of Ayush Yoga Certification Board, but the teacher does matter. Just like our old, be it Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Gurukuls. So we come under the Yoga Learning Hub. The Gurukul and our yoga master is Anubhav Sir. So please grab the opportunity. Do not let it go. And Sir, I cannot thank you enough